Hey, what up guys? Welcome back to my RC channel. Today, we're going to test drive this. I got the differential in it. I did it not in a video, but it's the 3S. VXL 3S mini-maxx with a velineon 10-turn brushless motor, whatever size that is. It's a little rainy out, so hopefully we can get good traction with Proline Badlands tires. This thing looks super ba-duper. Let's get this body off so you can see what's going on inside. I had previously not been a big fan of the clipless body system, but now I kind of am. So we got the VXL3. You see the velineon, and we're on 3S. We're just gonna go big and send it. I don't really have anywhere to jump it right now, but we're gonna get an idea for what kind of speed this thing runs. Okay. Alright, and of course we immediately lost a wheel nut. This thing is absolutely freaking bonkers. There's no controlling it. I don't recommend anybody do that conversion. When I did the self-writing, you know, the beep, 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 it basically was like blip, blip, and it flipped over very quickly. This thing is just absolutely ballistic and extremely difficult to control. Yeah, I don't know what to say about it, but it is obscene. Okay, we found a wheel nut. We're gonna try this again. I'm hiring my wife as my camera person.
Guys are in the way. Ay, 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 ay. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's probably right.
It looks so little down there.
It is so little. And that's about it. Anyway, the insanity. Don't do this to those. It's just ridiculous. Alright guys, well, you know what to do. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and tune in next time, and maybe take this over to the jumps or something. Okay, peace. Thanks for 100,000 views, guys. I love you.